Connecting these apps has never been easier because you can do it with Zapier, which helps every person and every business create automated workflows. It's easy. To get started, you'll just need to authenticate your apps, which takes just a few seconds. Zapier meets industry standards for encryption when connecting with each of your apps. Now let's set up your trigger, which is the event that starts your Zap. Pick the trigger event that you want from the list. When you set up this step, your Zap will pull in test data from your trigger app that you'll see later when setting up your action app. This last part is where the magic happens. Choose the action you want to happen in your target app. You'll see a bunch of fields where you can specify the details of your Zap. You can type free-form text or pull data in from your trigger step as needed. Turn on your Zap and Zapier will start doing your work for you. Zapier can be as simple or as complex as you'd like and connects with thousands of apps, more than any other platform. Click on the link in the description for a free trial so you can make sure it works for you before you commit.